guys, this is Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. And for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another Amazon clothing haul. Now, I'm going to be incorporating a lot of summer fits in this video because summer is around the corner and I guess सबका vacation mode on होगा. Every fit is going to be very trendy and under a budget. So बिल्कुल tension लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And I have made multiple Amazon clothing hauls in the past. In case you're interested watching such kind of content, make sure to check the link that I've mentioned in the description box below, or else check the iCard that I have tagged right here. Now before getting into the actual video, make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up, comment using the hashtag YouTubeBeraFan, make sure you guys subscribe and also press the little bell icon. And without further more delay, let's quickly jump right into the haul. Okay, so the first fit from this clothing haul is the one which I'm wearing at the moment. This is a very beautiful summer friendly quad set which is white in color and looks very pretty. The moment I saw this dress, I was in love with it. And talking about the skirt, it has got this very beautiful frills. And I absolutely love the way how it has puffy sleeves over the top, and I think it is cropped in a very proper way. It is not at all body showing, so that's a best thing. And I love the way how it has got such kind of flower kind of detailing all over the top and the skirt. I absolutely love the neckline as well. I think this is a perfect fit when you are going to explore some beaches. I've never purchased anything from this specific brand, but I'm really surprised with the way how it looks on me. I'm in the size M and I absolutely love this fit and I would rate it a solid 10 on 10. What do you guys think of this fit? Do let me know in the comments down, and yeah, check out the link in case you guys love it. Summers are meant to wear bright colors. So I have a very pretty dress which is in hot pink color. If you guys are following me since a really long time would probably know that hot pink is my absolute favorite color. And the best part about this dress is its knee length. Now this is not a short dress, so all the shy girls, this dress is meant for you guys. Let's talk about the major highlight about this dress. It has got this blazer kind of collar, if I'm not wrong, and the fabric is of really high quality. I am not able to figure out the material of this dress, but it is quite stretchy, to be frank. It is very stretchy, and I'm in the size M. It fits me perfectly, and I think this is a kind of dress which I could probably prefer while going to my office because it looks decent and gives that boss girl vibes kind of a look. So what are you guys waiting for? Go ahead, check the link in the description box below, and again I've got this one in the size M. You guys are not ready for this fit. It's again a quad set, and as you guys could already see, it gives proper summer vibes. So the crop top looks something like this. It has got all that floral detailing everywhere and it has got full sleeves. And talking about the neckline, it is like this. It's going to appear as a V shape and you'll have to tie it right here. So I think I found this top quite sexy, and when paired up with this cute short skirt, it's going to take your outfit game absolutely strong. Everybody are going to compliment you if you guys wear this two-piece quad set. And I absolutely love the way how the ruffles are going all over at the bottom of this skirt, and definitely beach approved dress, and I would highly recommend you guys picking up this piece in case you are going out for a vacation. I have one problem with this top. If this part goes here and there, then some part of your boobies are going to show. So definitely make sure you guys tie a safety pin in case you are insecure showing your boobies. Talking about the material, it's of crepe material and it's not see-through at all. I have wore this and I think I'm absolutely loving this. Gonna pack this pair of clothes whenever I'm going out for a vacation. Let's see. Talking about the rating, I would definitely rate it a solid 10 on 10 because this is going to be a beach friendly dress and perfect for vacation. I know I've incorporated a lot of cord set in this video because it's a summer friendly fit video, right? So quad sets are meant to be in number. So the another quad set which I've got is in the tie-dye fashion, which is in trend so much nowadays. So the pant looks something like this, and it has got this beautiful cutout thing right near your thighs, and it's going to flaunt your legs beautifully. Talking about the pant, it has got this stretchable thingy right here, so that's going to fit your waistline perfectly. The reason why I picked this quad set is the pants, because it looks quite stylish and gives that influencer vibes. Talking about the top, it is quite simple and it's of cotton fabric, and it's this very basic spaghetti tie-dye crop top. I think you can pair this crop top with any kind of jeans, because it's a multi-purpose top, because you could wear this top with any skirt, jeans, anything. So पैसा वसूल डील है एकदम, because you can mix and match and pair such fits with many outfit. And कॉटन मटेरियल का है तो एकदम easy breezy होने वाला है for summers. So I would again highly recommend you guys to check this one out as well. I never thought that I am going to go ahead with monochrome theme, but for some reason, you know, pastel shades जो एकदम nude type के कलर्स है ना, मैंने कभी try नहीं किए थे, and this is the first time I am going to be trying it out. And I've got this particular crop top along with these pants. Okay, I absolutely love the way how both of these fits when combined stands out. मैंने ये दिल्ली के अपने ट्रिप में पहना था, and most of you guys were complimenting me. मैंने ऐसे टाइप के न्यूड शेड्स कभी अपने लाइफ में नहीं पहने, and it was looking pretty different. And talking about the neckline, I love the fact कि इसका neckline काफ़ी different है, and मेरे body type पे it is looking beautiful, and back से कुछ इस तरीके से दिखता है. And अगर आपको लगता है ना कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा सी थ्रू है, तो ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. ये बहुत थिक मटेरियल का है, एंड इट्स फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांड कॉल्ड आहवान. सो दोज हु गाइज हैव बीन चेकिंग आउट माई Amazon videos since a really long time would probably know I love shopping from Ahvan, and I've never been disappointed. So I absolutely love this crop top. And talking about this pants, बहुत अच्छे से फिट हो जाता है, एंड इट हैज़ गॉट दिस कटआउट थिंगी राइट हियर, ठीक है, एकदम बीच में. एंड फॉर सम रीज़न मुझे ना कटआउट वाले पैंट्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे लगने लगे हैं. एंड दिस इज़ नॉट अ जीन्स मटेरियल, ठीक है, ये बहुत लाइट वेट है. अगर आप देखोगे ना, यहाँ पे पॉकेट्स भी है, तो आप बहुत सामान भी रख सकते हो, एंड लाइट वेट भी है. सो ज़्यादा झिक नहीं है, बट ऑल दो यू आर गोइंग टू स्टैंड आउट. नाउ दिस इज़ नॉट क्वाड सेट, दोनों मैंने अलग अलग से लिए थे, बट आई थिंक ये दोनों को साथ में पहन करते तो काफ़ी सुंदर लगता है. ऑल्सो आई एम इन द साइज M. सो या दैट इज़ इट फॉर टुडेज़ वीडियो. आई होप आपको ये Amazon क्लोथिंग हॉल काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आया हो. इन केस यू गाइज वॉन्ट टू सी मैनी मोर Amazon hauls on my channel, go ahead, comment, and do let me know your favorite fit from this video. And yeah, I'll catch you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.